I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account access and disabling iCloud Desktop Sync if you want changes to stay local. Once done, close apps that may lock files so removal succeeds. Use Finder on the desktop or press Shift-Command-D to open the desktop folder directly. This saves time versus hunting icons. You'll see items grouped by stacks or arranged manually. Choose View Cleanup or Switch Off Stacks to reveal every file before you select the first item to remove. You select files using single clicks, Shift for ranges, or Command for multiple non-contiguous items. That lets you control exactly what goes. Once selected, press Command-Delete or drag to the trash icon in the dock. This stages files for removal but doesn't erase them yet. Make sure to inspect trash first, because empty trash permanently removes items. If you prefer immediate removal, use Option Command-Delete to bypass confirmation. Use that only when you're certain, since recovery will be harder. You finalize by emptying trash and confirming space is reclaimed in about this max storage. If a file refuses to delete, quit, or relaunch Finder, then try removing it again. If that fails, use Terminal's RM command carefully. Make sure you type the exact path because there's no undo. Also make sure iCloud Desktop Syncing isn't restoring files back. If it is, pause syncing, delete locally, then resume. One tip: reboot in safe mode to clear locked processes if deletion still fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.